watermelon bologna, chicken macaroni, chicken wing mahogany. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be opening up Foodie roos. And by the way, you might be wondering, why do I stickers? Because I get these stickers from my school, and here's another one. And this one's smell it. You can't smell it. Okay, so I just come back from school. That's basically what's in school clothes. So we're going to be opening up these Foodie roos, and there's so many different scents, and they're plushes. And there were 3 stuff in them. Soda. I love soda. Watermelon. Fruit cup. Oh God. Cereal. Because I love pretzels. It's so good. And I'm going to take popcorn, because I love popcorn. I love popcorn loads, but I like these more than popcorn. Do you? Yes, actually, yeah, because I love the white chocolate. And the white chocolate ones. My mum always buys them. I think you can do... The stickers! Smell it. It smells like pretzels. Look. I'm going to put some stickers on right now. We have got Pretz Squirrel. Because look, there's a little pretzel. So here, it's where it can sleep. I decorated the house. Do you like it? Here, little snow. Here's some of them. Here's some jam. Here's some pencils. Okay. Ooh, you can see the popcorn. I hope this actually smells like popcorn, because that'd be amazing. I'll open up your thing. Straight as you opened it, I could smell popcorn. Hang on. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh look, turns out that's just a little peel I need to get off. Oh, she's got a jelly. Hello. Hello. Okay, so now I'm going to connect my house with the little tip for there. And then I'm going to decorate it. Look. She's definitely a popcorn girl. Could you tell? Yeah, definitely popcorn. And look, she's gonna take her house to the download. That's old. Okay, so here we have. It's just stuck in my yard. Cut off, it's stuck in my yard. And let's see what Ruby's got. There's a popcorn. Okay, so I'm gonna put the bed. She looks like mine a little. Here. So let's see. Oh, Ruby, yours is next to mine. Oh, that's cool. See? Look. Yeah, the same. Yeah, good. Yes, you listen. Look, they're dancing. Dancing in the dark. I think I'm gonna go with gummies. Okay. We've got gummy bears. Oh my gosh. It smells amazing, and it's got gummy bears all over. Wow, that's cute. Okay, pop it open. Guys, you might be thinking, where is that voice from? I'm behind my room. Okay, let's look at the stickers. Oh my god, look at the bed. It's all rainbow. It's like them rainbow sweets that are like sour. Oh my god, I love those. Okay, so I'm gonna put the bed over here. I'm just gonna put it straight so it looks really cool. So there is my really cool bed. Okay. Ooh, let's put a bookshelf. That'll look cool if it has a bookshelf. Ooh.
get these. It's a zippy, zippy, zipper. Wow, guys, look. We got that. For Penny the Rat. Walking like a zombie. Oh, guys, shows little froze. I'm gonna go with the cereal's good in the morning. If you guys comment down below if you like Fruit Loops, or just comment down below what kind of favorite breakfast do you like, and comment down below which one you like. I like mine. And comment down below who did the best decorating, me or Ruby. Okay, I'll open up this bag. Ruby. I did it! That's my first time I opened this bag. Ice cream. Ice cream. Look, she has a little candy in her. Oh, she might be kangaroo because people have kangaroos in them things.
A little pouch at the front.
Kangaroo.
A cereal pouch.
No, it comes big.
I'm gonna open up soda. And find the zipper.
Get the bed. Over here, over here, over here. Hey there, Mr. Monaco.
Wow, it says winner, winner, rare treat.
Oh my god, you've got a rare one. Turn it round while you open it. Turn it round while you open it, all the way round. That's it.
It's even got the wrapping.
Oh my god, what is it?
Oh.
Is it a cake one? What was it meant to be? A soda?
Yeah, it's supposed to be a soda.
Let's have a look. Oh wow, that is really, really cool.
It's an elephant. It's got one. This smell. It
is an elephant.
It smells like cookies and cream. Oh my god.
It's got little sprinkles on all over.
Whoa, look at the stickers.
Whoa, guys.
Whoa. Look at the stickers.
So we have just got a winner one. A winner rare treat inside.
The stickers, look. There's a bouncy castle, a little guitar, the bed, the more cakes. Oh my god. This is my ultra rare one.
I want to hug it.
And this is my decorations. That's like the room where you put random stuff.
I just want to.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed us opening up these.
I love mine the best.
And make sure you stay tuned for our next video because it's going to be a special video.